So Binance Smart Chain meme coins are blowing up at the moment. You have daily runners to 100+ million, which we haven't seen on Solana in forever. The 4 meme platform, which is the pump fund equivalent on the BNB chain, is currently doing more revenue than Pump Fund themselves. The BNB token is exploding. So today I thought I would share the best trading bot to use on Binance Smart Chain right now for trading meme coins and to make sure you don't miss out on any of these runners. And that platform is called Alph.ai. Obviously, the best trading bots on Solana like Axiom don't actually have multiple chains like Binance Smart Chain, but this Alph.ai platform has Solana, Binance Smart Chain, X-Layer Ethereum, and the new Plasma chain. It looks fairly similar to most of your normal trading bots. You have the meme section, which is the trenches. You have new creations right here, almost graduated, and tokens that have already graduated. You can see that there are a lot of runners already on this section. I do recommend adding some basic filters. What I'm using currently on the new creations is just a minimum of 1K market cap, because most of them do start out with $0. So I want them to at least have a bit of volume and market cap to them. On almost graduated, I keep it pretty simple, minimum market cap of 20,000. And then on the already graduated section, I keep it at minimum market cap of 40,000 and 1 hour volume of $10,000 to make sure there is some active trading on the pair. So you have loads of different settings. You have your instant buy amount right here. I keep that at 0.05 BNB, which currently is like $65 or $70, but obviously you keep that at whatever amount you're comfortable trading with. You can put the whole platform into full screen mode like this, which is a great feature. You then have the hunting section, which we are on right now. You then have K-line, where you can actually see the chart to these different tokens as well. And you can open almost graduated or the graduated section on the left-hand side. You then have a sniping section, but I do prefer it in this hunting mode. And if I find an interesting token, I just instant buy or I just open it up like this. To get some more details, you obviously have all of your trades. You have holders, you have traders, you have volume settings, you have security settings, you have buy and sell options right here. I'm sure you're all very familiar with this. This platform is the best one I've found for Binance Smart Chain trading right now. It's super quick and very accurate, but they do have some really unique and cool features that I haven't seen on any other trading bot. If we head over to trading, first of all, it gives you this section that tells you the meme index, kind of tells you the sentiment in the meme coin market right now on Binance Smart Chain or whichever chain you are on. Tells you total trades, total amount of traders, 1 hour volume, amount of migration, top launch pads, etc. This is obviously for 1 hour. You can put it on 24-hour as well and see that the volume is 7.4 billion, which is loads. So Binance Smart Chain is definitely where it's at right now if you want to make money with meme coins. Solana is pretty dead, but this last week there has been so many 100x plays on the BNB chain. So here you obviously have trending tokens, but they also have a feature called Signal. If we head over here, this is where you can find some great alpha. So these are all of the signals or calls that has been made in like the last 24 hours. And if we head over to today's gems, you can see that there has already been this one, which has done 150x, 15x, 70x, 70x, etc. There's so much opportunity right now on BNB chain, so you can see exactly what time they were called and the current market cap. You also have silver gems, which has done a bit less of an X, and then bronze gems as well. But here are all of the calls. This is the most recent one, which actually just got made right now at 50K market cap. So if I wanted to buy this one, I have the quick buy options right here. For example, I can buy 0.2 BNB of this token. And if we open it up, this is what it looks like. You can see I'm already $30 up. So I can now sell 100% because I don't know anything about this token. And we basically just made like $30 just like that. But I obviously recommend you to do a bit more research into the tokens before you buy them. But this signal section is great for just finding new up and coming tokens that are being bought by smart money. You can see smart money activity right here. For example, this token has had quite a bit of smart money activity. This one as well has had quite a lot of purchases by smart money. And you can see that all 4 of these smart money wallets are still holding. None of them have sold. You also then have KOL calls on this token. So you can see that it was called by this Base guy at 30K. This was another call at 20k and 10k, and it's currently at 300k, so those were some great calls. This is another token currently at 800k market cap, which basically did a 94x since the first time it was called right here on Alph.ai. By the way, if you want to check out this platform for yourself, you can get 5% less fees when signing up with my link down below. Also just help support the channel, so would appreciate it if you did that. You then have the trade section, which is the normal section I've already showed you, where you can just trade tokens. But they do also have some really interesting features here. You can, for example, see only smart money transaction right here. So these are from smart wallets. You then have snipers, you have bundlers, etc. They then have a smart wallet section where you can analyze all sorts of profitable wallets in detail. You can sort them by 7-day P&L. So this guy has made almost $1 million in the last 7 days, 350x. If I click onto him, you can see all of his trades, all of his current holdings and activity. You can then follow the wallet on Solana. They actually have an option to copy trade as well. So you can just copy the specific wallets you are looking into. I assume they will be adding that on Binance Smart Chain as well very soon, but currently they don't have a copy trading option on Binance Smart Chain, but you can still see exactly what all of these wallets are trading and just copy them manually. If I do head over to Solana and go over to Smart Money, you can see that this is the copy trading feature I was talking about. So if you find a profitable wallet that you just want to copy directly, you can just click on copy, enter the amount you want to copy trade for each transaction. You have slippage, fees, click confirm, and you are basically copying that wallet. But right now, most of the volume and attention and hype and opportunities are on Binance Smart Chain. So that is what I'm focusing on in this video, because that's what I'm currently trading mainly myself. And then they have the wallet trackers where you can track all of your favorite wallets if you find some profitable ones. Now on Solana, and something they will add on Binance Smart Chain soon as well, is this 24-hour Cabal top 5. So these are the tokens that are being most traded by the Cabal, which is basically the insiders. So that's obviously another great feature. But overall, if you are looking for the best place to trade Binance Smart Chain tokens at the moment and make a lot of money from it, Alph.ai is the best one I've been able to find and the one that I am using currently. A lot of these features, like the signal feature, is super helpful and useful, and I haven't found this on any other Binance Smart Chain trading platform. It's just a great way to find new interesting tokens that you can make money on. So if you want to check it out for yourself, like I said, you can get 5% less fees by using my link down below. If you have any questions at all, let me know down below in the comment section, or you can join my Telegram and ask them in there. Make sure you like and subscribe if you found any value in this video. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.